Okay. Derive the expression for current gain, voltage gain, input impedance and output impedance for an emitter follower circuit. Okay, nothing but CC amplifier circuit. This is a circuit for emitter follower. In this, for base resistance RS is connected, and for emitter side load, okay, RL is connected. For collector side no resistance is connected. Okay, this is the CC amplifier with H parameter model. Okay, this is the circuit of CC amplifier H parameter model. We need to find out what? We need to find out current gain, voltage gain and also input impedance, output impedance for this circuit. Okay, using this circuit we need to find out those. First we shall find out current gain. That is current gain nothing but output current divided by input current. Okay, output current here from circuit we can say that output current is IL. Okay, from the circuit we can say that here load. Okay, load current IL is nothing but output current divided by IB, that is base current is nothing but input, is equal to IL can be written as, here you can observe IL is flowing this direction. Okay, IL is flowing like this direction and it is flowing opposite to that. Okay, so minus IE divided by IB. IE can be written as HFC into IB plus HOC into VE. HFC into IB plus HOC. We know the value of VE is, can be written as minus IE into RL. Okay, VE can be written as IE into RL. Okay, this from this equation IE open bracket 1 plus HOC into RL is equal to HFC into IB. IE divided by IB is equal to what you will get? HFC divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. Current gain is equal to minus IE divided by IB is equal to minus HFC divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. Now next we need to find out input resistance. Nothing but input impedance is equal to output resistance divided by, input resistance, okay, VB divided by IB. Output voltage divided by current. Okay, usually we will write R is equal to what? V by I. Okay, for input resistance, input is base. Okay, so VB divided by IB. VB usually for standard formulas. Okay, you need to consider those formulas, that is VB is equal to HIC into IB plus HRC into VE. Okay, this is the standard formulas. Okay, VE is equal to minus IE into RL is equal to AI into IB into RL. Okay, VE is equal to what we will write here? VE is equal to IE into RL. Okay, minus IE into RL. That as what? AI into IB into RL. Okay. Next, RI is equal to HIC into IB plus HRC into AI into IB into RL divided by IB. Okay, this is the input resistance. They have given that VB divided by IB. We know the value of VB is, that is HIC into IB plus HRC into VE. Substitute the value of VE, then you'll get this equation. Okay. This can be written as HIC because IB get cancelled here. So you left with HIC plus HRC into AI into RL. Okay. Substitute AI, you'll get I is equal to HIC minus HFC into HRC into RL divided by 1 plus HOC into RL. This is what? Input resistance. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain is output voltage divided by input voltage. Output voltage is emitter VE divided by input voltage is base VB is equal to minus IE into RL divided by RI into IB. Okay. IE can be written as IB into IE is value is IE into RL can be written as RB into AI into RL divided by RY into IB. Okay. So here IB get cancelled, you're left with AI into RL divided by RI. This is what voltage gain. Okay. Next, output admittance. Output admittance. While finding output admittance, you need to make source as 0. Okay. Source should be 0. Output admittance is equal to I2 divided by V2. There is a standard formula, that is IE is equal to HFC into IB plus HOC into VE. Dividing above equation by VE, we get that Y0 is equal to IE divided by VE is equal to HFC into IB divided by VE plus HOC divided by VE. VE get cancelled, so you will get HOC. So next, from figure B, okay, with Vs is equal to 0, this figure, if we take Vs as 0, okay, Vs we will consider as 0, we can write equation, that is Rs into IB plus HIC into IB plus HRC into VE is equal to 0. From diagram input side, we will make source as 0 and we will write apply KVL. So we can write the equation. Next, from this equation, IB is common, so take common IB. So you'll get Rs plus HIC close bracket IB is equal to minus HRC into VE. Next, IB divided by VE is equal to minus HRC divided by RS plus HIC. Substituting IB divided by VE value in Y0 equation, we get that Y0 is equal to HOC minus HFC into HRC divided by RS plus HIC. And what we found out is, that is admittance, but what we want output impedance, so R0 is equal to 1 divided by Y0. Next, derive the expression for AI, nothing but current gain, voltage gain, input resistance and output resistance for CB amplifier using H parameter model. Okay, this is the diagram of CB amplifier, and this is the figure of circuit of that H parameter. Okay, CB amplifier with H parameter. Okay, by considering H parameter, this is a circuit, equivalent circuit. Okay, for this, by referring these two circuits, we need to find out the current gain, voltage gain and input resistance, output resistance. First we shall start with current gain. Okay, AI is equal to output current. You can observe here output is IL. Okay, IL divided by input current. Input current is here IE. Okay, input current is IE. So IL divided by IE is equal to minus IC divided by IE, because IC is flowing like this, okay, like this direction, and IL is like this direction. So IL is equal to minus IC. Okay, IC is equal to what? There is a standard formula. IC is equal to for for what CB configuration, there is a formula that IC is equal to HFB into IE plus HOB into VC is equal to HFB into IE plus HOB. The VC can be written as what? Minus IC into RL. Okay, because load resistance, this is opposite to the load, so VC can be written as I into R, nothing but I into R, but current flowing is minus IC. Okay, or we can write it as IL into RL, but we want in terms of IC, so we are writing minus IC into RL. Okay, take IC as common, so you will get IC open bracket 1 plus HOB into RL close bracket is equal to HFB into IE. IC divided by IE is equal to HFB divided by 1 plus HOB into RL. Okay, next this is nothing but current gain. Okay, AI is equal to what? Minus, because here minus IC divided by IE, so AI is equal to minus HFB divided by 1 plus HOB into RL. This is what current gain. Next we need to find out input resistance. Input resistance, usually what we will write, R is equal to V by I. Okay, Ri is equal to what we will write here? V divided by IE. Okay, input side we will consider input side voltage and input current. Okay, V is equal to, there is a standard formula for CB configuration, HIB into IE plus HRB into VC, and VC is equal to what we will write? Minus IC into RL. That can be written as what? Because you can observe here from this equation, okay, AI is equal to what? Minus IC into II. Okay, this can, minus IC can be written as AI into IE, and this will be same. Okay, Ri is equal to, we know the value of what? VC, so substitute the value of VC. Okay, HIB IE plus HRB AI IE RL divided by what? IE. Okay, both divided by, we need to make IE because here VE divided by IE. Okay, IE get cancelled, so you left with HIB plus HRB into AI into RL. Next to voltage gain. Voltage gain AV is equal to what? VC divided by VE is equal to minus IC into RL divided by RI into IE. This can be written as AI into IE into RL divided by RI into IE is equal to, IE get cancelled, so you left with AI into RL divided by RI. Next we need to find out output admittance. One thing you need to remember that output, while solving output impedance, we need to make source as 0. Okay, by considering source as 0, we need to write the equation. Y naught is equal to what? IC divided by VC. IC is equal to what? IC is equal to, there is a standard formula, that is HFB into IE plus HOB into VC. Okay, dividing above equation by VC. IC divided by VC is equal to what? You will get HFB IE divided by VC plus HOB, because VC get cancelled, so you will get HOB. From figure B, with VS is equal to 0, we can write equation, that is RS into IE plus HIB into IE plus HRB into VC. You can observe here, we will consider this thing. Okay, HFB into IE and HOE into IE. Okay, RS into IE and HIB into IE plus HRB into VC is equal to 0. Okay, from figure we will consider the equation. Okay, RS plus HIB into IE is equal to minus HRB into VC. Okay, from this equation we can write that IE divided by IC is equal to what? We can write that is minus HRB divided by RS plus HIB. Okay, we will replace the VC here. Okay, Y naught is equal to what? You will get HOB minus HFB into HRB divided by RS plus HIB. Okay, but what we want? Input resistance, so sorry, output resistance, so 1 divided by Y naught. Formula for, okay, AI input current, current gain, and formula for overall configuration including with H parameter model. Okay, next topic is mid-band analysis of BJT single stage amplifier. Okay, we can notice that to form a transistor amplifier only it is necessary to connect an external load and signal source along with a proper biasing. We can notice that what to form a transistor amplifier, it is necessary to connect an external load and also signal source along with proper biasing to become a what? To form a transistor amplifier. Okay, this is the circuit of basic transistor amplifier. Okay, transistor amplifier in its H parameter model. Okay, by considering H parameter model, this is the equivalent circuit for transistor amplifier. Next, from this circuit we can find it that current gain is equal to what? AI is equal to IL divided by I1. Okay, AI is equal to what? IL divided by I1. Okay, that can be written as minus I2 divided by I1. And IL and I2 are equal in magnitude but opposite in sign. So IL is equal to what? Minus I2. I have said already, that is, this load current is flowing like this direction and it is flowing like this direction. So IL is equal to minus I2. Okay. From figure 2, we can write that I2 is equal to what? We can write it that I2 is equal to HF into I1 plus HO into V2. I2 can be written as what? HF into I1 and this is HO into V2. Okay. Substitute V2 is equal to what? Minus I2 into RL in the above equation. We can write it as I2 is equal to HF into I1 plus H0 into, we know the value of V2, that is minus I2 into RL. Substitute. So I2 plus HO into I2 RL is equal to HF into I1. Take out I2 as common. So you'll get 1 plus H0 RL. I2 is equal to HF into I1. I2 divided by I1 is equal to what you'll get? HF divided by 1 plus H0 into RL. We want current gain as I2 divided by I1, but minus I2 divided by I1. So minus HF divided by 1 plus H0 into RL. Next, current gain. Okay. AIS, okay, AIS is equal to minus I2 divided by I. Here we will consider source, okay. In this case, we have not considered source, okay. I2 divided by I1, we left the source current, okay. Here we will consider the source current, okay. Input section of hybrid model. Input section of hybrid model with current source instead of voltage source. Okay. Instead of voltage source, we will consider current source. So here AIS is equal to minus I2 divided by IS is equal to minus I2 divided by I1 into I1 divided by IS. I2 divided by I1 can be written as AI. So I1 divided by IS we need to find out. I1 is equal to what? IS into RS divided by ZI plus RS. IS can be written as, can be written as I1 is equal to what? I1 is equal to source current and opposite to that resistance and overall resistance. IS into RS divided by ZI plus RS. I1 divided by IS is equal to RS divided by ZI plus RS, and hence AIS is equal to AI into RS divided by ZI plus RS. Okay. Input impedance. Input impedance RI is equal to V1 divided by I1. V1 is equal to what? HI into I1 plus HR into V2. V1 is equal to what? V1 is equal to, okay, HI into I1 and HR into V2. Okay. HI into I1 plus HR into V2. That is what? V1. Okay. ZI is equal to what? V1 divided by I1. We know the value of V1, that is substitute divided by I1. Okay. ZI is equal to HI plus HR into V2 divided by V1. We know the value of V2, that is minus I2 into RL. That can be written as, okay, because AI is equal to what? AI is equal to minus I2 divided by I1. Okay. AI is equal to minus I2 divided by I1. So we can write minus I2 as AI into I1. Okay. So ZI is equal to HI plus, we know the value of V2, substitute. So HI into AI into I1 into RL divided by I1. I1 get cancelled. So you will left with HI plus HI into AI into RL. AI is equal to what you will get? Minus HF divided by 1 plus H0 into RL. Okay, this is what current gain you'll get. We get Zi is equal to what? Hi minus HR into HF into RL divided by 1 plus H naught into RL. This is what input impedance. Okay, input impedance formula is Hi plus HR into V2 divided by V1. Okay, now we know the value of V2 divided by V1. We have substituted, so you'll get input impedance this much. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by RL, we get that Zi is equal to Hi minus HR into HF divided by 1 by RL plus H naught. Okay, Zi is equal to Hi minus HR into HF. 1 by RL can be written as YL. Okay, YL plus H naught, where YL is equal to what? 1 divided by RL. Next, voltage gain. Voltage gain is output voltage divided by input voltage. V2 divided by V1. V2 can be written as V2 is what? V2 is equal to AI into I1 into RL. Same, AI into I1 into RL divided by V1. Here, since I1 divided by V1 is equal to what? 1 divided by Zi. That is what they have written. Okay. I1 divided by V1 can be written as 1 divided by Z1. Zi. Okay. Voltage gain considering source. Okay. When we consider source, AVS is equal to what? V2 divided by VS is equal to V2 divided by V1 into V1 divided by VS. This can be written as what? Voltage gain. Okay, that is voltage gain AV into V1 divided by VS. So V1 is equal to what? V1 is equal to Zi divided by RS plus Zi. Okay, VS into VS into Zi divided by overall resistance, that is RS plus Zi. Therefore, we can write it as V1 divided by VS can be written as Zi divided by RS plus Zi. Okay, from this equation only we have written this. Okay, AVS is equal to AV into Zi divided by RS plus RI. Or we can write it as AI into RL divided by RS plus RI. AV is equal to what? AV is equal to AI into RL divided by Zi. Next, we need to find out what? Output admittance. Remember, while finding output admittance, we need to make as source as 0. Okay. Admittance is equal to output admittance is equal to I2 divided by V2. There is a standard formula, that is for CP configuration I2 is equal to what? HF into I1 plus H0 into V2. For midband analysis, we are doing what? We are doing midband. Okay, we have considered transistor amplifier with H parameter model. Okay, for this, by using this circuit or equivalent circuit, we should write the I2. Okay, I2 is equal to what? HF into I1 plus H0 into V2. Divide by V2 for this equation. So we get I2 divided by V2 is equal to HF into I1 divided by V2 plus H0. V2 gets cancelled. Therefore, Y0 is equal to what you'll get? HF into I1 divided by V2 plus H0. Okay. With Vs is equal to 0, we can write that as Rs into I1 plus Hi into I1 plus HR into V2 is equal to 0. Take common I1, so you will get Rs plus Hi is equal to minus HR into V2. From this equation, we can write it as I1 divided by V2 is equal to minus HR divided by Rs plus Hi. Y0 is equal to what? Y0 is equal to, we got that equation, that is Y0 is equal to H0 minus, because here there is a formula, that is Y0 is equal to H0 minus HR into HF divided by Rs plus HI. Okay, from this equation you can observe I2 divided by V2 is equal to what? HF. Okay, now we have found out that I1 divided by V2. Okay, there is a common, you can observe H naught is here, H naught is here. Okay, HF is common. This is the value of what? This is the value of I1 divided by V2. Okay, next power gain. Power gain is equal to what? P2 is equal to V into I. Okay, usually we will write the formula for power is equal to V into I. Okay, P2 is equal to V2 into IL is equal to minus V2 into I2, and for P1 is equal to V1 into I1. But power gain means output divided by input. Okay, output power divided by input power. When you consider the power gain, usually we will write the equation for power V into I. But when we consider power gain, output power divided by input power. Okay, output power is P2 and input power is P1. So value equation for that is minus V2 into I2 divided by V1 into I1. This can be written as what? AV into AI is equal to AI square into RL divided by ZI. Next is analysis of CE amplifier with collector to base bias. This I will explain in the next class. Okay.